Hi Willow and Ash class. So today we are going to be making our own feelings graph using Iggy Peck Architect. Now we did something similar with the bear and the piano, and we were thinking about the different feelings that the bear came across through his journey through the story. And we're going to do the same, but this time you're going to come up with those inferences. You're going to come up with those feelings words. So here I have a graph. Across the bottom are the events of the story, which move on. So every time we plot the graph, it's going to be a bit further forward towards the end of the story. On this axis, we have a happy face and a sad face. And we need to decide where on this scale Iggy's feelings were. So let's have a look at the beginning of the story. At the beginning of the story, Iggy was only 2. And he had made his own tower, his first tower, using diapers or nappies and glue. Now, if I look at Iggy there, I think he probably was very proud of that. So I would put that feeling of being really proud quite high up near the happy face. So I'm going to put my little star there, and then I might just number it. I'm going to put number 1, and then to the side, I'm going to write Iggy was proud because he built his first tower. Okay, it's that word proud. And we're going to see if we can be really specific with our feelings words today. So then, as I move on to the next part of the story, he's then built a sphinx using mud and dirt. So I think he would probably be feeling quite proud again. So number 2, I'm going to move it across slightly because we're in the next part of the story. I'm going to put number 2, and then just underneath here where my notes are, Iggy was really pleased because he had built a mud sculpture. Okay, we'll do one more together and then I'm going to give you the task of finishing. So here, this time he had made a church, but using peaches and apples, and he'd also made temples from modelling clay. So again, he's feeling quite proud there. So we'll put our star in, number 3, and we can write that just down here. Now, at certain points in the story, his feelings are going to change, and you may see that your graph goes down perhaps. Okay, so here you had his teacher who was basically getting rid of all of the architect books, which wouldn't have made Iggy feel very happy, I wouldn't have thought. Okay, later on you have his teacher, after disaster struck, says that it had no place in the classroom, and basically he couldn't do it. He couldn't follow his dream. He couldn't build his castles that he liked doing. So again, I would probably, if I was Iggy, be feeling quite angry at that point. So I would plot my star a little bit lower. By the end, you perhaps should have a graph that perhaps looks like that when you join the line, and you can see how Iggy's feelings change. So I wonder if you can use the video clip of the story, watch it, and then see if you can pause it at different places where Iggy experiences different feelings and plot them into your graph. Okay? Good luck, Willow. I will look forward to seeing what you get up to. Bye.